Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Okay, take the question.
How many types of WH word?
How many types of WH word? Guys, today Mansa cover is asking that how many types of WH words in the English spoken? Guys, basically there are 15 types of WH words which we use in the English spoken according to English communications. Guys, today we will learn step by step, one by one, and specifically English to Hindi every WH words. Is that clear? So let's start. Guys, first is that how. How means कैसे, किस तरह है, किस प्रकार. Okay. After that, why. Why means क्यों. What. What means क्या and किस लिए. Is that clear? There are three important and most popular WH words which I told right now here. Okay, and now we are talking about next WH. For example, who and whom. Okay, who means कौन, किसने, किन्होंने. Whom means किसे, किसको. Is that clear? After that, when, where. When means कब and where means कहाँ. Is that clear? After that, which and whose. Which means कौन सा, कौन से, कौन सी. Okay, and whose means किसका, किसके, किसकी. Is that clear? After that, how many, how much. Is that clear? How many means कितनी संख्या for the countable nouns, and how much कितनी मात्रा for the uncountable nouns. Is that clear? How long कितना समय. Is that clear? And after that, what kind of, किस प्रकार का. Is that clear? How far, कितनी दूर. How often, कितनी बार. So guys, today you are observing all the WH words English to Hindi with the meanings. So guys, I hope you have understood. And guys, if you like this year, then you can follow us 8 our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky video, then you can visit 8 our official website, whose official URL link is www.nvea.in. And guys, you can contact us 8 our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.